I welcome you to the first session of Chapter 5, Working with Windows Operating Systems. Now let us take a look at the versions of Windows operating system. Each version has a different logo. Let us see the logos first. It's Windows 1.x, Windows 2.x, Windows 3.1, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows NT, Windows Me, Windows 2000 Professional, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Now let us see the main features of each of the versions. Windows 1.x was introduced in 1985. Introduction of GUI in 16-bit processor. Mouse was introduced as an input device. Windows 2.x in the year 1987. Supports to minimize or maximize windows. Control panel feature was introduced. Windows 3.x, the year is 1992. Introduced the concept of multitasking, supported 256 colors. Windows 95 in the year 1995. Introduced Start button, taskbar, Windows Explorer and Start menu. Introduced 32-bit processor. Windows 98 in 1998. Integration of Internet Explorer with the operating system. Windows-based games improved. Plug and play feature was introduced. Windows NT. This was designed to act as servers in network. Windows Me in the year 2000. It introduced automated system diagnostics and recovery tools. Windows 2000 Professional served as an operating system for business desktop and laptop systems. 4 versions of Windows 2000 were released: Professional, Server, Advanced Server, and Data Center Server. Windows XP, the year is 2001. Introduced 64-bit processor, improved Windows appearance with themes, and offered a stable version. Windows Vista 2006 updated the look and feel of Windows. Windows 7 in 2009. Booting time was improved, introduced new user interfaces like Arrow Peak, pinning programs to taskbar, handwriting recognition, and Internet Explorer 8. Windows 8 in the year 2012. Windows 8 is faster than previous versions. Start button was removed. Multi-core processing, solid-state drives, touch screens, and other alternate input methods. Served as common platform for mobile and computer. Windows 10 in 2015. Start button was added again. Multiple desktops, central notification center for app notification and quick actions. Cortana voice activated personal assistant. Mouse is an input device which plays a prominent role in a graphical user interface. It usually has 3 buttons: a left button, right button, and a scroll wheel. With a mouse, you can do 5 actions. Move, click, right click, double click, click and drag. Windows Desktop. The opening screen of Windows is called Desktop. It has icons and a taskbar. At the leftmost corner of the taskbar is the Start button. Next to the Start button is the Quick Launch toolbar. And the right side has the notification area. The notification area has some icons like network icon, volume control, default language, time and date, and also the arrow peak button. This arrow peak button is found in Windows 7. It is used when you want to minimize all the windows and show instantly the desktop. Start menu. As you click the Start button, the Start menu appears. It has a search box, and the All Programs option is used to view installed programs. The arrow mark indicates presence of submenu. Control panel allows you to modify system settings. The shutdown option can be used to log off, restart, or shut down your system. The Start menu also has a command called Run, but it is not seen here. So where is the Run command? For that, first you have to follow these steps to add the Run command to the Start menu. So right-click on the taskbar and select Properties. In the Start menu tab, click Customize and check Run command and then click OK and Apply. The Run command is now available via the Start menu. When you use the Run command, a Run dialog box appears. This command is usually used to open programs directly by entering the name of the program in this dialog box. So here in the text box, we can type, for example, Paint. And when you click OK, the Paint window will immediately open. So the Run command is also an alternate way to open applications or programs. Icon is a graphic symbol representing the window elements like files, folders, shortcuts, etc. There are 4 types of icons: standard icons, shortcut icons, folder icons, and disk drive icons. The icons which are available on the desktop by default are called standard icons. My Computer, My Documents, Recycle Bin are standard icons. The My Computer icon of Windows XP and Vista has been changed to Computer in Windows 7 and this PC in Windows 8 and 10. Shortcut icons can be created for any application or file or folder. You can identify a shortcut icon by the arrow mark on the icon. Here are some of the folder icons. Disk drive icons. Here you can see icons for hard disk drives with total and remaining space available. Here is the icon for the DVD drive and pen drive. They are removable storage. The window. It is a rectangular area of the screen which displays information for a specific program. It is classified into application window and document window. Here I have opened Open Office application. It's an application window. And in this window, when I open text document, Open Office Writer window will open. This is called as a document window. Elements of a window. Every window has several parts. Let us learn them. At the top of the window is the title bar. It shows the name of the application and also the name of the file. Here it's an unsaved file. So it is showing document Wordpad. So the window which I have opened is Wordpad. At the right corner, you have the sizing buttons. Let us take a closer look at the sizing buttons. As you can see, there are 3 sizing buttons in this group. But the middle one, it is called as a toggle button. The middle button is different. So here the first one is a minimize button. The third is the close button. The middle one, here it is the maximize button, and in the second figure it is the restore button. So the middle button will show restore symbol when the window is maximized. That is when the window covers the entire desktop. When you click restore button, immediately the middle button will change to maximize button. So when you click restore button, the window will be restored to its original size. Below the title bar, you can see the menu bar. It shows some menus like File, Home, View, etc. Below the menu bar is the toolbar. And on the side you have the scroll bar, and at the bottom of the window is the status bar. We can resize the window with help of the border and the corner. So when you place your mouse pointer at the border or corner of the window, it will change into a double-headed arrow with which you can drag and resize the window. And in the middle, you have the workspace. Since it is a WordPad window, you can type your text here. Creating a file. So after finishing your work, you can create a file by saving the document. For that, you click on File and you can either select Save or Save As. The keyboard shortcut for save is Ctrl+S, and for save as is Ctrl+Shift+S. So when you say File Save or File Save As for the first time, Save As dialog box appears. So before saving your file, you can also create a new folder in which you can store your document. For that, you click the new folder icon. As soon as you click this icon, a new folder will appear. Then you can either rename the folder, and then you can open the folder, and then you can save your document inside this folder. To save the document, you type the file name in the file name text box and click the save button. So this is how you create a file. Now, to exit this application, to exit Wordpad, you can directly click the close button, or you can select file and then select exit, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Q. That's all in this session. Thank you.